Hello, this is Carter Cartoons, and today I'm going to be drawing the whale shark, the world's largest shark. I think the whale shark is also like the world's largest fish, and the reason why it's called and and the reason why it's called a whale shark because they eat krill just like any other large whale. Okay, I'm going to draw like the top of it. And then the fin's gonna stretch out beyond the sketchbook. I'm going to draw the fin right here. It's not a very large fin. Fix the camera a little bit. Going to draw the eyes right here. Very small eyes for a large animal. Okay, going to wait. Going to draw. Also, the whale shark also has like a lot of spots on it. White spots all over its body and stuff. I'm gonna shade it in. Okay,